Is the health of the MLM industry in 2024 on life support? It's a question that's been echoing around the corridors of the business world. This year, we've seen an unprecedented number of MLM companies such as NELOLIFE, We Got Friends, Transact Card, and Finmore hit the buffers and disappear. The landscape of the MLM industry has changed dramatically, with trends shifting and the survival of the fittest becoming evident. It is apparent that the MLM industry in 2024 has faced a significant amount of turmoil, but why is that? Today, we mourn the loss of some once promising MLM companies. This year has been a tumultuous one for the multi-level marketing industry, with several notable companies falling from grace. Let's begin with We Got Friends. This company, once a beacon of hope for many network marketers, fell victim to an unsustainable growth model. It promised exponential growth, but the reality was far from it. The company's business model depended heavily on recruitment rather than product sales, leading to its inevitable downfall. Next, we have Transact Card. This company offered a unique proposition, combining the world of multi-level marketing with financial services. However, legal issues became its Achilles heel. The company faced scrutiny for non-compliance with financial regulations, leading to its premature closure. Finmore is another company that bit the dust this year. Despite its innovative approach to incorporating fintech into network marketing, it couldn't sustain its operations. Poor financial management, coupled with a lack of a solid business strategy, led to its downfall. The case of NELOLIFE also deserves a mention. This company has been under suspicion for quite some time now. Its business practices raised eyebrows in the network marketing industry, making it a subject of many controversies. Despite its initial success, the company failed to maintain its reputation, leading to a significant loss of trust. The company is currently under review, and its future seems uncertain. These examples serve as a stark reminder of the volatile nature of the MLM industry. The downfall of these companies can be attributed to a variety of reasons: poor business models, lack of sustainable growth, legal issues, and a failure to maintain trust among their network of marketers. The MLM industry requires a delicate balance of innovation, regulatory compliance, and sustainable growth strategies. Those who fail to recognize this often find themselves struggling to survive in this competitive marketplace. These companies and others have failed to adapt to the changing landscape of the MLM industry. Let's remember them as cautionary tales and learn from their mistakes to forge a better future for the MLM industry. What do these MLM companies' failures have in common? The answer to this question might surprise you, but it's a pattern we've seen time and time again in 2024. Firstly, let's talk about unsustainable compensation plans. Many failed companies opted for complex and hard-to-understand compensation structures. This often led to distributors feeling cheated or underpaid, and ultimately, they left the company. A fair and transparent compensation plan is the backbone of any successful MLM business. Secondly, there's the lack of training and support for distributors. When companies don't invest in their people, it's a recipe for failure. Distributors need to understand the product, the market, and the selling techniques to succeed. Without proper training and ongoing support, they're set up to fail from the start. Lastly, let's not forget the unethical business practices. Some of these companies were under scrutiny for deceptive marketing strategies, pyramid schemes, or other illegal activities. These practices not only harm the company's reputation, but they also erode trust among distributors and customers, leading to a decline in sales and eventual failure. The downfall of these MLM companies serves as a stark reminder of the potential pitfalls in the industry. It's crucial for any MLM company to ensure sustainable compensation plans, provide adequate training and support, and uphold ethical business practices. Otherwise, they might find themselves joining the list of failed MLMs of 2024. Is this the beginning of the end for MLM companies, or can they adapt and survive? That's the million-dollar question lingering in the air. As we've seen, the year 2024 has been a roller coaster ride for the MLM industry, with giants like We Got Friends, Transact Card, and Finmore closing their doors. With the future looking rather uncertain, could this be the wake-up call the industry needs? Could this be the push for MLM companies to rethink their strategies, to learn from the failures of 2024 and to adapt their business models to be more sustainable, more ethical. Imagine an MLM industry that prioritizes transparency, that values its network marketers, and that places emphasis on ethical practices. An industry that learns from its mistakes and constantly evolves. This could be the future of MLMs. Only time will tell if MLM companies can learn from the past and build a more sustainable future.